Your time is up.
Help, Chili Dog, help!
I'm sorry, I can't help.
Yummy yummy in my tummy. Not so fast. I need help, Powerpuff Boy. Like I told you, I am not a Powerpuff Boy. Well, help you stupid. Alright, just a second. I think we might have to look for some broken robots in the woods. What is this robot doing in the forest? I think we should keep it. Stop right there, you Cavi. Take this. I should save him. I saved you from the burning robot. Anyways, we are happy to see you.